ಬಂದಿದೆ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಹಿರಿಯರ ವಾಣಿ, ಹಿರಿಯರೇ ಇತರ ರಾಜ ರಾಣಿ, ಹತ್ತೋಣ ನಾವು ಅವರ ನೆನಪಿನ ದೋಣಿ, ಕೇಳುತ್ತಾ ಖುಷಿ ಪಡೋಣ ಹಿರಿಯರ ವಾಣಿ, ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ ಖುಷಿ ಪಡೋಣ ಹಿರಿಯರ ವಾಣಿ, ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ ಖುಷಿ ಪಡೋಣ ಹಿರಿಯರ ವಾಣಿ. ಇದು ಹಿರಿಯರ ಕತೆ ಹಿರಿಯರ ಜೊತೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹಿರಿಯರ ವಾಣಿಯಲ್ಲಿ. ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ ಇರಿ, ಖುಷಿಯಾಗಿರಿ.
Hello listeners, this is your RJ Surekha and I welcome you all to Anubhav, a joint project of National Institute of Social Defence, Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment, Government of India and Media for Community Foundation, implemented by Nightingale Medical Trust. Project conceived by Dr. R. Sridhar, Project Investigator Alok Verma, Coordinators Pooja Murada, Sai Sudha, Kaushalya. Government of India has initiated Elderline toll-free number 14567. Elders or anyone on behalf of elders can call between morning 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. for any questions, queries and support to elderly. We all are familiar with the saying, anything extend become poisonous, and we do agree that. The upcoming skit with very well project this fact. Let us listen to the skit and enjoy. The skit is written by Miss Laite Rao. The participants are Sivaguru, Vathsala, Vasantha, Rangamani, Padma, Srimal and Lalita Rao. The stage is all yours. Over to you guys.
Good morning, doctor.
Good morning, madam. What is your problem?
I have it since sugar. I feel very tired. I can't sleep properly and always feel hungry. I love sweets, but I don't eat so many sweets. Only one sweet per day. It is not at all much. And I take only 1 teaspoon full of sugar in my coffee.
Eating sweets doesn't cause sugar. It is when your body cannot absorb and digest sugar, then only you will have sugar problem. By the way, how many times do you have coffee in a day?
Only 4 times a day, doctor. Earlier, I used to take 6 to 8 times. Now I have reduced so much.
Your diet is very important. Let me know your eating habits and your daily routine.
Okay. When I get up in the morning, I have a hot cup of coffee with sugar, 1 full spoon of sugar. And coffee is so bitter, unless you put sugar, it doesn't agree. And with sugar, it tastes so good, doctor. I sit and read the paper completely after that. I don't leave any news. Read it thoroughly. Then I go and have my breakfast. They say you must eat breakfast like a prince and have a lunch like a king. I follow it perfectly. I like butter and have in plenty. Amul, they say no. Amul is so tasty butter. It is very tasty. Then I have my bath. Then I do my prayers for some time. Then I sit and read magazines. At 1 o'clock, I have a good lunch with 2 to 3 helpings of rice with sambar, rasam, and along with papad and curds. Then I sleep for nearly 3 hours in the afternoon. Get up and again have my coffee, which I love so much. Then I sit and watch the TV shows till 9 p.m. I love snacking along while I'm watching TV. Then I go to sleep, doctor.
My God, no wonder you have sugar problem. This will not do. I'll give you a diet chart. You can't have a coffee with sugar. Sugarless coffee with a slim milk, or better, you have green tea without sugar. Some cereals with a slim milk. some little fruit or dry fruits, only 2 small pulkas, 1 small cup of rice with plenty of vegetables, and 1 cup dal.
Oh, what? Only this much? My, it's so little. I can't. I will faint.
Do you exercise to burn down these calories? What exercise do you do?
I walk from my bedroom to bathroom, bathroom to kitchen, kitchen to drawing room to dining room. So many times in a day. It is so much of walking, doctor. I feel so tired. Good exercise, isn't it, doctor?
Oh, no, that is not exercise at all. You must walk briskly, continuously, and regularly for 5 kilometers. Follow the diet. Take this tablet 2 times a day. Remember, continue walking. Call me or see me after a week.
Hello, doctor. I am your patient. Remember me? I had come last week with sugar and I followed all your instructions. Now I'm in Chenpatna hospital. They are giving me drips. I'm so weak.
Oh my God. What happened? Why in Chennapatna and in hospital?
As you told, I kept walking and walking and walking. And after 1 week, I have reached here in Chenpatna and I collapsed with weakness. They have admitted me to the hospital, doctor.
My God. I meant regularly 5 kilometers walk without break. How foolish. They misunderstand everything.
Oh, this is no use. Better I try something else or someone else. I think I will try a homeopathy. They say it is easier and it's better. Now I am back home. I am all right. Allopathy is no good for me. It has too much of problems. I think I will try a homeopathy. Okay, good morning, doctor.
Namaste. Give me your name and all your problems and the remedies used so far from your childhood. I will note it down. We treat not the disease, but the constitution.
Okay, I have written everything here. Please take it, doctor.
Good. Yeah, I am reading what you have written. Diabetic and BP, all that I am reading. Okay. Take these 2 small bottles of pills. One which has red label is to be taken in the morning. The other with blue label at night. Take only 4 pills at a time. Remember, no eating 1 hour before and 1 hour after taking these pills. Avoid coffee, brinjal, cauliflower. And strong smelling things must be kept away. Pay 500 rupees. Come 1 month after taking these pills.
So much for such small pills? At least make it buy one and take one like they do it in the shops, doctor. Make it at least half a price.
See, our medicine is included in this. And the smaller the pill, higher is the potency. I would like you to know.
Well, can't have coffee. And I love coffee. These pills are so small. how can they really help? No use. I better try something else. When we pay so much, we should get the worth of it at least, isn't it? I can see the board. Gym for good health. I think I will try this. Good morning.
Oh, hi. Please come, ma'am. Welcome. Please register your name here. And have you registered? Now you pay
Yes.
500 rupees. And please come in the morning with salwar suit and be sure we have empty stomach. Then we can start tomorrow.
Okay, madam.
Oh.
Empty stomach. Anyway, I will give it a try.
Okay, madam. Now first try these dumbbells. So lift it up, down, sideways, rotate, round, then clockwise as well as anti-clockwise. Okay?
Okay, I will do it. Oh, you have hit my head. My God, it hurts. I think let me try something else.
Now you do it carefully, madam. You stand in front of this mirror, okay?
Okay. I think I will try some of these heavy weights. Oh my God. It's so heavy.
You, and
I have dropped it on the ground.
oh God, please don't drop them like this on the ground. It will crack the ground and the owner will take me to the task. Please keep it on the stand, ma'am. You see, you must develop lot of strength. Do you see Hanuman's picture in the front? And not the face like him, ma'am. Please relax, please relax.
What an insult. My God, I can't stand any insults like this. This is also too tough, very heavy. I can't manage. Let me try something else. I see this board. Yoga is a science for healthy body and mind. This sounds very good. I will try this. Namaste, madam.
Namaste. Please enroll and pay rupees 500. I will teach you asanas and meditation first. Watch me carefully. It should be done with proper breathing. You must start with neck movements, hand movements, shoulder, and then legs like this. Breathe in and breathe out properly. Best is to start at 4:30 in Brahma Muhurta. First start with 5 times and slowly keep increasing up to 25 times. End with meditation. That will calm you. Okay?
Okay, madam. Seems to be very easy. Only getting up at such early hour is a bit difficult. But I guess I can start at 7. No problem. Let me become strong soon. I think I will start doing more at a time. I will do it 30 to 50 times instead of just 5 times. I can become strong very soon. Oh, teacher, my whole body is hurting. My back is splitting. I can't even stand. I'm collapsing. Please, this is no use. Refund my money. Refund my money.
What happened, Lalita?
I wanted quick results. How just starting from just 5 in the morning, 5 in the evening, I thought it's not worth. So I started doing 50 to 60 times in the morning and evening, and I ended up like this.
How silly. I told you to do slowly and gradually increase. Your muscles must have gone into spasm. Take rest fully for a week and then come back. Okay? I've taught you everything. I can't refund anything. Don't you know? Too much is too bad. You are not Kumbhakarna to eat for 6 months and sleep for 6 months. You are a normal human being, normal, and must think and act normally.
None of these are good. I heard someone saying about Nightingale Medical Trust, which teaches mental and physical exercises and active aging. That means I'll become active and never age. I can become active and young. I think I will stick to this and no more changing. They say Rolling Stone gathers no moss. So I'll stick to this.
Thank you all for the well thought program. It highlighted the quality of being modest. I thoroughly enjoyed the skit. Listeners, I hope you too feel the same. Stay tuned to Hiriyaravani for more such programs. Government of India has initiated Elderline toll-free number 14567. Elders or anyone on behalf of elders can call between morning 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. for any questions, queries and support to elderly. Bye for now. Take care.